Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another edition of Bleeding Crypto's Market Update. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, 10:22 p.m. 10:22 a.m. local time. I hope you're having a good day, morning, or afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. Let me start off by giving my disclaimer to protect myself legally. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This is to be used for entertainment purposes only for your fantasy paper trading. All right, guys. Hope y'all all having a great time watching the charts, watching all the action, looking at the whipsaw. Boy, it's been amazing. I have to start off by saying this, guys. I have to. You know what? I'm not going to say it. I'm just going to show you. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause for 1 second. All right. So I'm just going to say it. I'm going to start off before I give you my Bitcoin analysis on what I think is going to happen next. I want to show you. Because I still can't believe, well, actually, no, I can't say that because I'm getting people signed up every single day. But I want you to see, guys, you don't have to understand the market as long as you follow somebody that you feel understands the market. So let me show you my copy traders, what we did yesterday, why I wasn't around that much on Twitter. Look, we had 12 trades, 2 losses, 10 winners. I'll start with the losses. This was our losses, 1.78. 10.40 win, 11.10 win, 5.90 win, 6.28, 2.25, 5.5, 5.8, 3.9, 3.9, 0.44, 0.46. Result was 12 trades, 10 wins. Oh, I put 100. It's supposed to be 10 wins. Hold on, I got to change this. You'll be like, what? BC, you don't have no... There we go. All right. So, guys, I do this, and I show you this every day, day in, day out. I trade 7 days a week. I love what I do. This is not work. This is an amazing opportunity. I feel so blessed and so grateful that I'm able to find a system through years of trial and error that allows me to put not only money in my pocket, but to allow people just to copy. Automatically, you don't have to do nothing. Open the account, fund it, set it to Mirror BC, and every move that I make, you get to make it as well while you learn. If you want to learn, you go to my Discord. It's going to cost money as well. Everything that you do involves paying me. That's what motivates me to work 7 days a week. I get paid every time you touch something that says BC. Simple as that. I don't try to hide it, but in return, what do you get? You guys understand what compounding is, guys? Do you understand what compounding is? Every day, it's hitting your account. Positive, day in, day out. You're telling me that you can't see the value of that for $25 fucking a month? Man, all right. If you don't want to, you don't want to. All right, I gave you my speech. If you want to do it, send me a DM and I'll get you going. Bitcoin. I posted a chart yesterday. Well, you know what? Let's do this. First things first. We got to go to the daily and we got to give credit to the bulls. Because what did the bulls do? Look at that. They closed above the channel, which means that we now get to invalidate the lower high rule. So let's start with that. We got to give credit where credit is due. Okay. Now, from yesterday's video, what did I say that we would look at if we invalidate the lower high rule? You know what? Let me turn on my indicators right now. There we go. Double top, right? We have to consider a double top until the market can prove to us that we are allowed to root for the bulls. We're still not allowed to root for the bulls, guys. All we've done, if you look at this market structure, let me remove this just for a second. Look, if you look at this market structure, what have we done? We had one top here, we dropped, we put a second top here. Well, BC, this second top is bigger than this one. Okay. Well, has that ever happened before? Let's see. Yeah, it kind of has. It kind of has. Here, we went up. So when you think of this candle here, kind of think of this candle here. if you want to compare apples to apples, at least be fair about it. Right here, look. Look, and then look what happened here. Look how high we went here. Went all the way to 70,075. You want to celebrate a 67,946. This time it's different. You know what? Let's say it's different. No problem. I'm not telling you that it's not going to be different. I'm just trying to shift your mentality from a Twitter twat trader to allow the market to prove to you before you blindly just follow it. That's it. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to shift your mentality to a professional trader, not somebody that just goes on emotions, goes on hopium. We're still in here, guys. We're still in here until proven otherwise. Now, if you want to say, no, that'll never happen. Why would it do that? Well, if you've been following me for even a short amount of time, you know that I don't know where the market's going to go. But what do I know? What do I know about the market? The market is here to make money. The market follows the money. Okay, well, BC, that's a lot of words, but where's the proof? Well, let me show you. If you go to DCT Trading, all right, and you can subscribe to this tool. The only thing I'm telling you, if you want to save money, use my referral code, BC10. I told you, anything has to do with BC, I'm making money. I don't care if it's just 10%. I'll take it. You save 10% and I get a 10% commission. Great. It works out to win-win for both of us. What does his data tell us? Thursday, I rewatched my video. Remember DCT Trading had a heat cluster at 64,400? And yesterday's video, what did we do? We knocked it out. We stopped at it. So you can't tell me that this isn't accurate. So look, nice big heat cluster down here at 63,600. So what I like to do is I like to build a case. I like to build confluence. Why would it come down? And if it comes down, where would it stop? Because that's always, when it goes up, everybody knows, where's it going to stop? When it goes down, where's it going to stop? Well, let's build a case. Not based on fear. Oh my God, here it goes. It's dropping. Oh guys, watch out. It's never coming back. We're going to 15,000. Like that idiot YouTuber that I told you about. I don't know his name. And even if I would his name, I'm not going to call him out. I just think it's, anyways. 63,300. Okay, let's mark that on our chart and let's start building a case for 63,600. So let me do this. I'm going to erase these guys and I'm going to use these little lines because look, the reason for us to come up here, we had these targets. Guess what? DCT's map, we took them out. So I'm going to use this here, 63,300, and I'm going to put DCT heat cluster. Okay, let's see where that takes us. Where is DC? I love this. My job's too easy. These tools make me look smart. That's what I love about these tools. That when I utilize these tools to help me. And then when I show you, I look like a genius. Like, BC, you got a crystal ball. BC, you know exactly where it's going to go. And I'm like, all right, cool, thanks. But in reality, when you give me those compliments and I appreciate them, I'm kind of like, oh, wow, I really don't know. These guys think I know where the market, I don't know where the market's going to go. And I don't have to know because I can rely on tools that prove to me with a high probability where it's going to go. And that's the part that I don't think you quite comprehend. It doesn't matter what you want. It doesn't matter what I want. It doesn't matter where I say it's going to go. Do you have a logical reason to think of this price point? And look, this is the arrow I drew yesterday. You saw me post this. Did we come up to it? Yeah, we came up to it. We went a little bit above it. Great. I don't know where it's going to go. Look, when I put this arrow here, you know what I did here? Let me show you what I did. Just so you kind of understand. Why would I draw it there? You know why I drew it there? Because look, I come up here. I look to the left. Wait, hold on. Wait. Everything's a reason. Look at the cursor. Look, it lines up with that. That seems like a reasonable place. And what did it do? It went higher. It went higher. That's okay. No big deal. Now, this is where I think we're going to go. And I'm going to tell you what's going to invalidate this. All right. So I'm building a case. So just give me a second. We've got that there. BC, one tool isn't enough. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay. So let's talk about the thesis behind the back test. Happens 95%, 99 to 95% of the time. We left this area, never back tested 200. I don't even think it happened on the hourly. Nope. Didn't even happen on the hourly. So again, we've got the DCT heat maps. We've got we blew through the 200 daily moving average without back testing it. Okay, what else, BC? I've got 22 billion reasons. How many times have I said that? And look, guys, I'm not trying to be conceited here, okay? But I just want you at least have to give me credit for this. When I've told you I've got 19 billion reasons to go here, I've got 17 billion reasons to go there. I've got when have I been wrong about that? I honestly tell me that. If you don't like me, I don't give a shit. I'd rub people the wrong way, but you got to give me credit where credit is due. How many times have I told you we've got X amount of billions of reasons and we don't go there? Can you find one video in the past 3 months that I've been wrong about that? Show me one. Just show me one. Probably can't find it. Why? It's not me. Again, if you're a market maker, would you leave $22 billion on the table? You would leave it? Ah, fuck it. Leave it. I feel bad for crypto Twitter. All these Twitter twat traders, they have to be right once. I feel bad for them. I don't want to go and take their money. I'd rather pay them. Let's be generous and pay them once. Do you really think the market makers do that, you stupid fucks? I mean, come on, guys. Have a little bit of common fucking sense. And I'm not telling you we're going to go to 50,000, 40,000, 30,000. No. I just want to follow the money. I want to find reasonable targets. Now, if the market wants to go below that, hey, I can't control that. But at least let's have a short-term bias of where the market's going to move. And why do I have to do that? What's the benefit of having that? This is the benefit. This is the fucking benefit right here. You get in front of the moves. You get in front of the moves and you trade it in the right direction. You make some money. You come back the next day and you make some more money. You come back the next day. Do you see the ROIs that I put in? Do they look like I'm sitting there trying to, I'm going to go 60%, I'm going to go 80%, like the Twitter twat traders? Most Twitter twat traders don't take 11%, 10%, 5%. They're waiting for those home runs. I want to do a 10x. That's why they don't make any fucking money. That's why they get blown out. They don't appreciate all the opportunities that the market gives you on a daily basis. Do you know why? Well, there's many reasons why. But the biggest reason is they don't have a system. They don't trust the system, and they're not living in the right time frames. I live in the right time frames to allow me to do that. And if you are in my free Telegram channel, you get an update of that performance. So you know, you can't say, oh, BC's full of shit. That was a one good day. No. Go out there and call me out. I'm telling you, I always tell people to call, yet I haven't found one person to call me out. Why is that? You guys who've been following me for what, 3-4 months on these video series, I tell you guys, call me out, and then I give you my word that I will repost if somebody calls me out. And yet, 4 fucking months, not one single person has called me out. Why is that? Could it be because I'm transparent? Could it be because I come on here every fucking day and tell you with reason of a good target, and they hit day after day after day? And I don't just tell you a target. I tell you how it's going to fucking hit. I tell you exactly the move that it makes. We'll climb up above it. If we get above it, we're going to back test it. If we break it, we'll back test the bear. Let's see, we get above it. Do we we back test it. If it doesn't hold, what happens? It gets lost. Okay, if it gets lost, do we back test the underside? Oh, yep. 1, 2, 3. We back test the underside. Do we come down? Oh, look, where's support? This has been in my chart for months now. Go check any one of my videos. What's so significant about this? Oh, well, this is the neckline of the July. Here we go. Oh, you know what? I went too far. Look, this is the neckline of the July M top. Why is that so significant? Because these market structures play out every single time, especially when you're looking at the high. Well, actually, no, that's not correct. It happens in every time frame. I use these M tops on the 1 minute time frame, and they play out just as well. But when you're blinded by one-sided biased, you miss out on all of those trades. 12 trades in 1 day is average for me. You guys see my results. I do between 8 and 13 trades a day. Some of those are winners. Most of those are winners. I can't say some because you have to give me credit. 1 or 2 losses max I have per day. Sometimes I have 3. But look at the wins and look at the amount of the losses. Do I hold on? Fuck it, let's go. No. Nope, it don't work out. Nope. Let's go. I have a system in place that allows me to take every move that the market makes by hedge trading. I'm not even going to explain to you guys, but that's why my success is the way it is. And it's too long, and it's no purpose in you knowing about that here. When you join my Telegram, you'll know about it. And I do videos, I do updates. And again, there's going to be those people, and you're going to see this, guys. I mark my words, there's people that are going to go to WeX, sign up, find me, and they're going to get blown out because they don't have the right settings. So those people, I'm even going to repost that because I'll be able to say, hey, look, this guy's calling me out, but he never paid the 25. How many times did I put this on record on the videos? Look what happened. So that's why I'm showing you this. But you'll see. And every day, whenever you want to know, just go to my my free Telegram and you'll see. I post my performances so everybody can see what they're missing out. Every day when they wake up and they're just trying to figure out which way, and yet every day 8, 10, 11, 12 trade, fucking winner. At some point it's got to click. At some point it's got to say, fuck, I got to stop being a cheap. I'll throw $20,000 at a fucking meme coin that's a piece of shit, but I can't pay $25 for a sure thing. I can't pay $25 to put money consistently in my pocket. That's too reasonable. This is Twitter. We're Twitter twat traders. We don't have reason. That's basically how most of you idiots think. But it is what it is. My team continues to make money. I continue to make money off of them and off of my own trade. So it's all right with me. Let's talk about the invalidation. We made a good case. I think we made a reasonable case. Looking at the 22 billion reasons, looking at the DCT heat maps, looking at the failed back test of the 200 daily moving average. All right. Say the market say, no, fuck you. We're not going down. We're going up. Prove it to me. You got to spend more time than just 1 4-hour candle. You got to have more than 1 4-hour candle and be like, I told you. Because look. Let's go back. On the 4-hour time frame. Let's go back. Look right here. Check it out. Again, it's not me, guys. You can do this on your own. Look, we spent 1 full candle, 2 full, fuck you, BC. You don't know what you're talking about. Valhalla. And then here, oh, BC, where's it going, BC? Hey, BC, give us an update. Where's it going? Where's it going to stop? Bunch of morons. Again, all the answers are right here. Oh, look, there it is again. Look, even on the small time frame, this is what's incredible. Even on the small time, you can see the market structures that we play. You can see all of that. It's right there, and yet still, they don't allow the market to prove it to them. They just want to blindly follow them. So look how long. Look at this is a 4-hour time frame. Look how many candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 4-hour candles, and we still puke down 20%. We've got 1 candle. 1 full candle. And look at Twitter, they're going fucking nuts. They're going nuts on 1 4-hour candle. Do you guys see what I'm trying to teach you? Do you see the mentality that I'm trying to shift you away from? is it starting to click? Like, damn, and you know what, guys? I was that idiot. You know who I like a lot, and I watch his updates? Tone Vase. Tone Vase has me blocked since 2017. I've been blocked from Tone Vase 2017. He never blocked me on YouTube, so I'm able to watch him on YouTube. But you know why I'm blocked? Because I was a Twitter twat trader. You think when I insult you guys and I talk shit to you guys because I haven't done it? I've done it all. My members of my groups, I tell them very regularly. And I ask them, do you know why I'm a better trader than you? Because I've lost more money than you. That's what qualifies me as a better trader. Not because I know this and not because that, because I follow the money. No, fuck that. It's because I know what not to do. I've been there. I've done that. I felt that. I've said that. I was a moon boy. Tone Vase is like, you're an idiot. Fucking block you, ass. Block you. And then when I lost all my fucking money, I'm like, shit, he was right. He was right. And there's going to be a point in your life when you hit that rock bottom and you say, fuck, what did I do? And that's what's going to make the difference between somebody who's a fighter, who doesn't give up, and somebody who just says, this isn't for me. Let me go back to working for somebody else's dream. Let me go make somebody else rich. Let me make sure that my hard work gives them their dream life. Because that's the only purpose I have on this earth, to make somebody else's dream a reality. Fuck that. I'm here to do everything I can to do what I can to put money in my pocket. And when I look at a 3% ROI, I don't say, fuck that, I don't want 3%. You know what I say? Thank you, God. Thank you. I promise I'm going to be a better person. Thank you for allowing me to make 3.9%. Oh my God, thank you. Because I remember the time when I made $335 an hour. That was a minimum fucking wage. I remember that. But you guys want to come in here and make 80% every time you do a trade and you have no skills, but you want to make 80%. Yeah, kumbaya. That's why I get frustrated, guys, because I want you to change. You think I'm doing this for free? Well, I'm doing it for free because I want to hook you into my paid shit. So I'm gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I want to show you that I know what I'm talking about, so I can fucking make money off of your backs. But here's the thing: you make money. The more money you make, more money I make. I make a small portion of your profits in my copper trade. I'm not gonna fucking lie to you. But do you really care? If I'm getting you paid, it's just like if you have a car and you're going to work, you got to put gas in that car. You got to pay somebody to go work, right? I'm the gas. I'm the gas that keeps the machine going. So invalidate this. Let's go. Here's what we need to do, guys. All seriousness. Is this 100% guaranteed? No. And you know what? This right here, you see this 22 billion. I've seen the market makers ignore this. I've seen us go to 28, 32. The highest I've seen it was 44 billion, the highest in 2023. And then we fucking nuked. Oh man, did we nuke. So this is the norm for us to nuke, but it's not a guarantee. It's not a you have to type of number. This is not a you have to tap the number. 44, you have to. 44, I'm taking every money, every cash advance. I'm going to go into debt and I'm going to short it. Oh my God. But you know what I mean, guys. I mean, so yeah, can that break? Can I be wrong? Yeah, I can be wrong. I don't profess that I cannot be. No, I don't profess that at all. I just want you to look at it level by level. Validation, invalidate, validate, and then get in front of it. I told you guys it was going to be an easy fucking short. You know what I did? I can't lie. I've got 300 people on my copy in my Telegram channel. I started shorting from here, and I added, and I added, and I added. It went up. Then I scalped it on the way. Then I took profit, and then I pushed it on the way up. I'm not fucking lying. You know what? Tomorrow you'll see that. Write this down. Tomorrow, I will share my wins. You're going to see my BTC trades. As a matter of fact, give me 1 second so you don't think that I'm full of shit. You can compare what I'm going to say right now to what I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to look at my wins. Okay, I just did a 9.13 sold profit trade. I did a BTC. Here it is. BTC long, 9.62. Pepe, 14.29. Sui short, 12.66. And this is just this morning. A Sui short, 0.56. That's a push. A BTC short, 6.51. Another BTC long, 13.61. I can back this shit up, guys. It's not just me telling you. I'm backing this shit up. And tomorrow I'm going to show you when I take those screenshots, because every night, you know what I do? Every night I take a screenshot of that and I send it and I show it to my Telegram channel, because there are actually people in my own copy trading that haven't moved over to copy trading yet. They still want me to call it out. It's fucking, again, guys, you think the stupidity is just in crypto Twitter. It's not. A guy who is proving it to you day in, day out, 7 days a week. I was on vacation this week and I was posting pictures to my Telegram. Look, I'm having an incredible time in the forest with all of my family, and yet I'm making you guys money as I'm just sitting here relaxing with them. And it's not work, guys. Why is it not work? Because it's a fucking system that I have based on alerts. I draw out the trading plan. My alerts go off, and my alerts literally look like this. Open short right now. I don't even look at the chart. I just go to my exchange. Okay, right. Oh. Why? Because the next alert is going to give me the instructions. Sell that short right now. Boom, I sell it. I don't even look at the fucking chart. I don't have to. I did the work. If I did the work and I have a system that's proven, there's no work. It's just follow instruction. Follow the bouncing ball. That's all I do. Follow the bouncing ball. So I'm taking trades. And that's how I take trades every single day. Because the effort was the years of practice, the years of losing money, the years of perfecting my system. That was where the work was. Now, now I get to chill. Proven track record, proven system. Follow the bouncing ball. If it hits here, short it. If it hits here, long it. Automatic. Don't think about it. I don't even look. That's why I don't look at the chart. So sometimes when you look at the chart, it'll fuck with you. If you already did the plan, don't look at it. Trust your system. And that's how I make people money, guys. That's how I make myself money. So get above this purple line, and this is done. This is fucking done. For now. It may be raised, and we may come down to maybe here or here. But this isn't nothing. Don't celebrate on one fucking 4-hour candle. We're still below the do or die line. I told you guys, the do or die line for the bulls last week, remember on Thursday video, was down there. Huh? Nope, didn't die. The bulls saved it. The do or die line for the bears. Right here. Bears are dead if we reclaim this area here. 100% fucking dead. Right here. We start, and this isn't a reclaim, by the way, Twitter twat trader. This isn't a reclaim. A reclaim is you get above here and you hold. Hold on, guys. I got somebody knocking on my door. Hold on. All right, guys. Sorry about that. All right, so I believe we're talking about invalidation. So get above here. Start holding this area here. Consolidate. The longer you consolidate, think of it as building a foundation. That's why consolidation is so important, and pullbacks are so important, because pullbacks build a base of support that in the event that you drop, you have a strong area to hold a price and prove that the bulls are willing to step in. When you have fast moves, what happens? There's no foundation. You just, look, let me show you a fast move. Look, one fast candle, bullish engulfing. And look where it goes. Just take a moment. What did I just say? Look, the foundation was built here. So when it drops really violently, you can trust the foundation you built is going to catch the price. I'm talking out of my ass, guys. I'm showing it to you. It's about shifting your mentality, shifting the way you view the market. Remove the bull, remove the bear, and look at areas that provide value. This provides value, and the bull stepped in once again. They swept the lows. When you see this, people think, oh, it's just a wick. No, understand the significance. This candle here is not just a wick, and it's actually called a tail, by the way. It's not called a wick, it's called a tail. The real terminology, I learned that from Brian Beamish. He can't stand when people say a wick. I just call it wick just for simplicity. So I'm gonna continue to use wick. But anyhow, this has a significant question. What does that mean? What does this mean? And look, that's what it meant. It swept the lows, and then look at that. I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to share with you an insert that I did on my Discord today. And very rarely do I come on and tell people to do something blindly. There was a pattern that showed up, and I told people, buy BTC now, long it now, and I'll explain later. I didn't have time. I had to go into all my exchanges and just go in hard, because I knew what was going to happen, because I see these patterns play out. I'm going to share it with you. Give me 1 second. I'm going to pause it. I'm going to find it. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Today, 7:51 a.m., I came on here, capital letters. I tagged everyone. Everyone open a fucking BTC long right now. And people know that when I come out and I say that, you drop everything and you just fucking do it. There's a reason for me to do it. I got a system that's proven, not guaranteed, but proven, that you will drop everything when you get to know me and you get to know my system. And I'll explain. And I got on the video. I want everybody to first go in, and then I'll explain to you what I meant. And then we went live. Look, shortly after, like a minute, 2 minutes later. 2 minutes later, I said, let's go live and let me explain to you why. Why? Because my Discord is about teaching people and explain to them. And I taught them why. Why did I blindly just say, fucking buy, don't worry about it? And I made them all money. Everybody was fucking, yeah, BC, thank you, thank you, thank you. That was on this push right here. No, excuse me. That was on this push right here. And they all made money. They're all fucking happy. And I explained to them, look, this is what you do. Why? Because these patterns repeat themselves. So how is that going to help you? Next time you see that pattern, you'll know exactly what to do. You think that you're going to pay $125, and if you do the quarterly, $100 a month, and you're going to blow that money away? You have no clue how much fucking money you're going to make off my system. What do you think, Mike? I've been here for 6 years. I keep on growing. I keep on adding new services, new things, and they all get full. They all join. Do you think I continue to have this success because I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about? Use half your fucking Twitter twat brain to say, maybe he does know. Maybe he gets. Maybe he's the one that actually gets it, because everybody has the same comment. I've been on so many groups, and it was a colossal waste of time. I get it. I totally get it. Not everyone's like that. So you get a chance to get a taste of it for $25. A taste. And you know what I do? I give away seats. This last week I gave 20 passes to my premium Discord from my Telegram channel. And I already got 4 quarterly signups just from being with me a week. They're like, fuck this. I'm never leaving. I'm fucking paying you 3 months in advance. I'm not going anywhere, BC, because they see the value. It's somebody who updates you 7 days a fucking week and tells you where the market's going to go with a very high degree of accuracy. I'm not bullshitting you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do this. Those listening to all my rants, the first 10 people who send me a DM and says, hey, BC, I want to try your Discord. I'll give you a free 2-week access. You know what? Actually, let me do this. Excuse me for 1 second. This is the last week that my members of the 2-week pass is going to expire. So I'm going to do this. Next week, I'm going to open it. Okay, so just stay tuned. Stay tuned for my videos, because it becomes very difficult for me to know who I gave a 2-week and when it started. So next week, When the 2 weeks are up, I purge everyone out of the guest list, and I'm going to open a new list. And I'm going to give it to 20 people. I'll give it to 20 people. The 20 people, when I announce it, the first 20 people, first come, first serve, that send me a DM and say, let me try it, you'll know. And you know why I do that, guys? It's easy money for me. Because it's like a fucking drug dealer. I just got to give you a taste. You think I'm doing it because I'm nice? No, I'm not fucking nice. I'm greedy. I'm going to do it because you're going to see in 2 weeks that I can't live without the updates. I got to know what's going on. When you're in my fucking Discord, you know all day fucking long which way Bitcoin's going to go and what to look for. And nobody can fucking dispute that. Nobody can call me out. There's got to be a reason. So I will open 20 seats next week and see if you can find the value in being in a group like mine with, and it's not just me, guys. I have some smart motherfuckers. I mean, I got some smart people in my group that I've accumulated through the years. Really smart guys that know what's going on. I got a guy who's a forensic wallet, on-chain wallet tracker. He tracks CZ's personal wallets, Justin's, Binance's, all these, every wallet. He knows who they belong to, when they move money around, and what's going to happen when it hits certain wallets. The market just fucking goes. There's certain wallets that they use to buy. He tracks all of that shit with alerts. He's a fucking monster. It's crazy, guys. Come give me a try. I'll open it up next week. 20 people, first one. So you better have notifications on. You better be following me, because the first 20, you'll have to wait till I do that again. Let's see. Let's see if the bulls can prove to us that they want it. Get above here. Consolidate on the daily basis, not on the hourly candles. All right, guys, don't get fucking all excited if you see a couple of hourly candles. There we go, BC. We consolidated. No, bitch. On the daily candle. Remember I showed you yesterday, guys. We hang out here for a couple of days before we drop. This is day 1. Give it 1 or 2 more days to break the pattern. Look, 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, drop. 1, 2, drop. It's like fucking talking to a fucking kindergartner. It's like you don't see it on your own charts. Damn it. All right, guys. Everyone have a really good day, and I'll talk to you later.